What is up, guys? I'm Neal Jolly and welcome inside Jolly Studios, where we talk about everything cameras to sneakers. And today we're talking about the Jordan 11 Retro Low Concord Bred. Thank you guys so much for stopping by the channel and checking out today's video. I'm so glad to see all of you guys here, and we've got what I'm feeling is the sneaker of the summer from the Jordan brand and the first Jordan 11 retro sneaker that we are reviewing on this channel. And I'm super excited about these because I've had them for probably about a month since they have released. I've been rocking them a lot, and especially since it's been super hot in Toronto, I've been rocking lows with a pair of socks, some shorts, and some tees. And so this is a sneaker that has really been my go-to for the last little while, and a sneaker I'm super excited to give you guys an in-depth look at. But you guys know how it goes on this channel. We start with the unboxing and move into the in-depth review of the materials on the sneaker, giving you guys an on-foot look, and then finally my verdict on whether you should shoot, hold, or pass on your shot at these sneakers. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Coming in a black and gray box with Air Jordan branding on the top of the box and Nike Air branding on the sides. Upon removing the lid and resting inside some standard black plastic wrapping, we've got the Jordan 11 Retro Low Concord Breds with no other dressings inside the box. The 11s are arguably the most beloved Jordan silhouette amongst sneakerheads and fans of Michael Jordan and the Jordan brand, and these right here are a mashup of the Jordan 11 Retro Concords as well as the Jordan 11 Retro Breds, a sneaker I have yet to add to my collection. I did miss out on those from the 2019 holiday release. I took an L on the day of the release, and man, that one still hurts. But I hope to add them to my collection very soon. And so this is a low top variant of the Concords as well as the Breds, two of the most popular Jordan 11 colorways. And so I'm really excited to have the sneaker in hand, and that has a lot to do with how impressed I am with the materials on the sneaker. And so without further ado, let's get into the in-depth review, starting from the front to the back and from the top to the bottom. The Jordan 11 Retro Low Concord Breds are a mashup between the uppers of a traditional Jordan 11 Retro Concord and the red outsole of the Jordan 11 Retro Bred. And starting with the uppers, we have some shiny black patent leather paneling that wraps around the whole sneaker, and it looks very similar in quality to the eye to that of my Jordan 11 Retro Concords from 2018. And a fun fact from the designer of the sneaker, Tinker Hatfield, is that the choice of patent leather was a design choice by Michael Jordan, made way back when creating the 11 silhouette, as he was looking for a shoe that was shiny. Moving into the lacing system, we have some white rope laces that are weaving through 5 lace loops along the eyelets, and behind the laces we've got some synthetic white leather and the iconic Jordan branding in the middle of the tongue in black, white, and red. Sliding over to the midfoot, we've got some smooth white leather and 5 nylon white straps that are stitched to enforce the lacing on the sneaker. And moving to the heel paneling, we've got a smaller Jumpman embroidered in black, and on the interior black lining of the sneaker that folds over the collar paneling, we've got the number 23 in red. Moving inside the sneaker, we've got a black polyurethane insole with a red Jumpman printed in red on the heel, and from removing the insole we can see that these are strobo boarded. Making our way to the bottom, we've got a white Phylon midsole along the whole sneaker, and finally we've got a standout outsole with some red translucent rubber throughout, herringbone pattern traction in black, and a Jumpman appearing underneath, and lastly the standard carbon fiber shank in a gray and white print. But now's my favorite part of the video, where I finally get to throw these sneakers on feet, style them, and give you guys a closer look. When it comes to sizing, the Jordan 11 Retro Low Concord Breds are advised to fit true to size, and I'd agree. I picked up a size 9.5 US, which is my standard size, and these fit comfortably on my feet. Released on June 27th of 2020, this is a pair that retailed for 185 USD, and for us here in Canada, 240 Canadian. And these were sold out on the day of their release, but since have gotten a couple of restocks, at least here in Canada, on a website like Foot Locker Canada. And from a quick check before recording this video, it does look like these sneakers are sold out again, but I'd say to keep an eye out in case some sizes do get a restock again. And if you're looking for a destination that carries all sizing, I've left a direct link in the description box below to StockX, where resale prices are hovering just over the retail value for you to check these out and potentially pick up a pair for yourself. And now it's a part of the video where I make my case for whether you should shoot, hold, or pass on your shot at these sneakers, with shoot being picking these sneakers up at their current retail price, hold being potentially waiting for these sneakers to go on sale or another opportunity to pick these sneakers up, and pass being that these sneakers might not be for me or for you, but for somebody else. And when it comes to the Jordan 11 Retro Low Concord Bred, I say you shoot your shot. As you can probably tell by the title of this video, and as mentioned earlier, these are my pick for sneaker of the summer from the Jordan brand this year. And prior to this, it was the Jordan 4 Retro Metallic Purples, a sneaker that's still in my rotation, a sneaker I absolutely love, a clean white silhouette with a metallic purple hit, but these are a low top, and so you can rock them with some ankle socks, some shorts, and a tee. And because these are a Chicago Bulls themed colorway with that black, white, and red, I have been rocking these with my Chicago Bulls swingman shorts, a white tee, and some white socks. And so if you have owned a pair of the 11s before, then you know this is a pretty versatile sneaker. It is great for lifestyle wear. You can ball in these sneakers. When it comes to the material side of things, we've got some patent leather that gives it that really premium look. We've got a polyurethane insole, which is a really nice touch. On the shape side of things, it is a really nicely shaped silhouette. And so this sneaker is great for lifestyle wear. And if you haven't owned a pair of 11s before, this is a great entry point. And if you're looking for a pair of lows, again, this is a great sneaker. However, if there's one thing I would nitpick on this sneaker, it would be that baby Jumpman on the back, on the heel. It just feels like it is crammed in, and honestly, it probably didn't need to be there. I absolutely love the 23 on the heel, but it just feels a little bit odd. It feels really crammed in, and I know that is a common criticism for a lot of people, but it is something that I can move past, and honestly, it really doesn't throw off the overall execution, because I really think that they did a great job with this sneaker, with that polyurethane insole and that patent leather. This is a great sneaker, but like I said, I could have gone without that Jumpman on the back of the heel. So this is my pick for the sneaker of the summer, but I'd love to know your thoughts. Is this the sneaker of the summer for you guys? Is this a sneaker you did pick up when these did release, or are you kind of waiting these out as these continue to sit on shelves or get restocked again? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'd love to connect with you guys there. Please hit that like button if you enjoyed today's review, and if you really liked it, I hope that you will subscribe and join the community here on this channel, because we've got a lot more sneaker videos that are on the way. But that's all for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, for your time and support of this channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.